What's up, everyone? So today we're going to be doing the paint pen on the numbers and letters around the wheel, around the tire. I got a Sharpie. It's oil based, it's white, and you can get these at most craft stores. Walmart, I think, even has them. I got ours from Hobby Lobby here in Hutchinson. So before we get started, you're going to want to make sure that the tire's cleaned. And brake clean is a really good thing to use if you put it on a rag. Hit some brake clean, wipe it all off, that way this sticks better. Basically any kind of brake clean will work. I have SuperTech from Walmart, works the best, and it's like $2 for a can of it. Basically just gonna spray it on the rag, wipe the excess off. That's disgusting. But you'll find the spots that can have the paint put on them, and it'll be easier if you jack this up so you can rotate the wheel. So we might do that here in just a second, but you'll find the spots that have the open letters or numbers, and you can just fill them in with this. Alright, so I've moved the wheel around, jacked it up. Now you want to take the paint pen, shake it up pretty decent, and if it doesn't like to put out any color, you'll have to dab it. Now just try to stay on the actual letters as best you can. Okay, so it took me 11 minutes to get this far, and I basically did like 2 passes over it each time. But yeah, it works pretty well. Basically, if you have mismatched tires, you're definitely gonna notice. So I guess you could highlight the tire size if you want, or you can do the eptires.com right here, which I might do, I'm not sure exactly, but it's pretty simple to do. I'm going to finish this wheel up and get on the other one and see how it looks when it's done. Well, that's it for that one. Now we're going to move to the front one. If you ever make a mistake, like right here on the G, and just take some brake clean on a shop towel, and it erases it. Alright, now we got this one done, we got the back one done. Let's see how it looks with it lowered on the ground. It definitely gives it more of an aggressive look. It would help if all the tires matched, but they all have good tread, that's all I care about. Well, there's the driver's side. All done. I actually like how the BF Goodwrench tires look, so I might have to get a full set of BF Goodwrench tires. But as you can see, just using the paint pen totally changed the look of the car, just putting a little bit of white paint on the tires. And that's it for the passenger side. The car is done. I figured I'd just give you another video to watch, keep you entertained. Definitely makes the vehicle look a little bit different, having a little bit of white letters on the tires. So, if you found the video helpful, definitely smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notifications on, drop a comment, let me know what you guys think, and stay tuned for more videos. It's a pretty simple thing to do. Just use a paint pen and try to stay in the lines. Thanks for watching.